I don't know if you can see that, but you can see that's coming in. So this is the intake coming in this way and then out. But look here. Now, by the time it makes these bends, it's catching all this extra lime. But look at that. And see that little tiny hole in there now, if we can see that or not. But you could just picture how much water is not coming, it's restricted. And so now, how do we fix that?
You just put a water softener every building in St. Louis. General in the Middle West, I don't know all the other state. I heard Michigan and Minnesota is also having the same problem in the construction, but we rent. If it's an older building, we rent a water softener that will take the lime from the water.